I woke up early again. The room was quiet and bright. Morning light filled the window. I made a cup of tea slowly. The sound of the water felt gentle. Everything felt calm. Outside, the city was waking up. People moved quickly, as always. Cars passed one after another. But something was different now. The busy world no longer felt so heavy. I could breathe more easily. I stood by the window quietly. Then, I noticed someone downstairs. It was Mary again. She stood near the entrance, holding a warm cup of coffee. The morning air felt cool. This time, she did not look nervous. She looked peaceful, almost comfortable there. People still rushed past her. The street was still noisy. Nothing outside had changed. But now, I noticed different things. Small things I missed before. The soft morning light. The sound of birds far away. The quiet feeling between moments. Mary looked up for a second. She saw me at the window. And she smiled. Without thinking, I smiled back at her. It felt natural now. I did not rush downstairs. I did not wave. I simply stayed there. The morning stayed quiet. But it no longer felt lonely. Not anymore. For a moment, the busy city felt softer, almost peaceful. I held my tea quietly. Warmth stayed in my hands, and inside me too. Mary stood downstairs calmly. I stood by the window above. And somehow, that was enough. No conversation. No big moment. Just quiet understanding. I realized something small. Not every connection needs words. Some feelings are quieter than that. The world was still busy. Life was still moving quickly. But I felt calmer now. Maybe nothing outside had changed. But something inside me had. And I could feel it clearly. The same morning. The same street. But not the same feeling. Sometimes, we slowly change without noticing. A quiet moment. A familiar smile. A feeling that stays with us. And sometimes, the smallest connections change us the most, more quietly than we expect, more deeply than we realize. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe.